Good evening everyone. Today we will be starting with the 80th scenario of Apex Trigger. In the same scenario we will be using three objects. First is account, second is the opportunity, and third is opportunity line item. So you might be thinking why we are using account with opportunity line item. This is exactly the catch of this trigger. So what we need to do, we need to fetch the description of opportunity line item and then place that in the account description. So you don't have any relationship between account and opportunity line item. Here the opportunity will become a bridge between the opportunity line item and account, while you will be updating the details of opportunity line item in the account descriptions. So let's see how we will be doing it. Talk about today's scenario. Today we will be starting with the opportunity line item, because as soon as the opportunity line item got inserted, deleted or updated, then only I need to proceed with updating the description on the account field. So let's start with the opportunity line item. So we will be doing all three operations, that is insert, update, delete. Also we will be considering the after insert, after update or after delete scenario, because we need a final description of all the opportunity line items that are available on that account, on that opportunity and further account. So means all opportunities that are available. So let's do one thing. What I will be doing, I will be first taking if trigger dot is insert or trigger dot is update, and before this what I will be doing, I will be adding if trigger dot is after. So I will be adding trigger dot is after double and further let's close this in the bracket so that we don't face any challenge here. And what we will be doing here, I will be doing that is line item handler. Line item handler is the class name, handler dot, what is the method name? Let's keep the method name as description handler, and here what I will be passing, that is trigger dot new. Once we are done with this, we will be saving this out, and let's copy this again, and for delete operation as well, we will be writing the code, that is trigger dot is after, and here what I will be doing, if trigger dot is delete, then what you need to do, you need to delete this part, and let's remove this bracket as well because we don't need this. And here what I will be doing, instead of trigger dot new, I will be doing trigger dot old. So that's it. And further we will be creating this method name, that is description handler. So what I will be doing, I will be writing public static void description handler, and here what I will be taking list of opportunity line item is equal to records. Why we are keeping records? Because we will be getting the records for deletion as well as insertion. That's why, in order to avoid confusion, we will not be keeping new records here, so that the name is. So I think we are getting the issue here, the method doesn't exist, that is public static void line item records. So let's check we are good with this. So let's copy this, and here what I will be doing, I will be pasting the description handler and description handler here so that we don't face any issue. So let's save this out, and method doesn't exist at line number 4 and line number 10. Why it is giving issue? No, it is not giving any issue further. So let's start with the trigger. First of all, what I need all the opportunity line items where description is not blank. So we have one method, that is string dot is not blank. So let's start with that. So first of all, what I will be doing, I will be iterating, that is opportunity line item OLI colon records. Further what I will be doing, if OLI dot description description. What I need to do, if string dot is not blank, if this description is not blank, then only proceed with this operation. Which operation? So let's add the bracket here and check if we are facing an issue. No, we are not facing an issue. So it is not comma, it is dot. So let's save it out again and check if we are facing the issue here. No, we are not facing any issue. So further what we need to take, we need to take the opportunity IDs, because opportunity line items consist of two things. One is opportunity and another is product. We don't need a product to entry, but we need a opportunity ID in order to get the account ID further. So what I will be doing, I will be getting a list of ID, not list, let's create a set of ID, that is opportunity ID set is equal to new set of ID. I think we are good with this. So what I will be doing, opportunity ID set dot add, and here what I will be doing, oli dot what is the field name, that is opportunity ID. So I hope everyone is clear till here. We got the opportunity ID here. I think we are facing some issue. No, we are not facing any issue. Further, after doing this, we will get all the opportunity line items and opportunity records that are in this ID. So what I will be doing, I will be doing list of opportunity, that is OP list is equal to, what I will be doing, select ID comma account ID comma name comma, I will be doing a nested query. Why? I need all the opportunity line items here. So what I will be doing is select ID comma name, not name, ID comma opportunity ID comma description from opportunity line items. So it will be a plural name, because let's move the cameras some upstairs. So it will be the plural name, opportunity line items, from what I will be doing, from opportunity where ID in opportunity ID set, and further we will be adding a semicolon here. So I hope everyone is clear with this point. And further, what I need a map where I need all the descriptions versus the account ID. So what I will be doing, map of ID will store my account ID, and further I will be making a list of string here that will have all my descriptions of opportunity line items that is related to that opportunity. So what I will be doing, that is oli map is equal to new map of ID comma list of string, and further once we are done with this, what I will be doing, I will be iterating this for opportunity OP colon OP list. So further what I will be doing, not if, we don't need if. So what I will be doing, further for opportunity line item oli colon, what I need to do here, I will be getting OP dot opportunity line items, and further I will be adding a braces here. So I know that we are using a nested query. So in order to get all the opportunity and line items, we can ignore this, we can but we also need an account ID here. So that is a catch here, you can't ignore this nested query, because you also need an account ID as well as you need a opportunity line items as well. So in order to do the two queries, I'm planning to do with the inner query. So what I will be doing here, if op oli map dot contains key, which key is required, that is op dot account id. If this is available, then we need to proceed with something else. What you need to do, oli map dot port, what you need to put here, that is op dot account id, comma, I will be creating new list of string, and further in the string what I will be pasting, oli dot description. So I hope everyone is clear. If map doesn't contain key account id, then we will be adding the oli dot description here. So if the map contains something, so I will be creating a temporary list. Temp list is equal to oli map dot get. What I will be getting, I will be getting op dot account id, this will give me all the previous description that is available in the map. And what I will be doing, temp list dot add, that is oli dot description, and further in next step what I will be doing, I will be in the oli map dot port, I will be putting oli dot account id, not oli dot account id, that is op dot account id, comma, another thing that you will be adding, that is temp list. Once we are done with this, so I hope we got the account id as well, and we get the list of description as well. So next step what we need to do, we need to update all the descriptions in the account description. So in order to do same, for we don't have any other set, we have only the oli map dot key set. What I will be doing, for id x colon oli map dot key set. So what I will be doing here, so here I will be creating account a equal to new account, next step a dot id is equal to x, this is I am updating a dot description. What I will be doing, I will be using string dot join method in order to concat my string. On the left hand side I will be getting the list of description, and on the right hand side I will be keeping the comma separated. What I will be adding, that is oli map dot get, what I will be doing, get x will give me the list of descriptions, that is a list of string, and further I will be just concatenating it out. So let's save this out. I think I have done some mistake, that is oli map. I don't think that there should be any mistake. So no, there is no mistake. So further what I will be doing, I will be creating a list of account, that is final list is equal to new list of account, and further after doing this, what I will be doing, I will be adding final list dot add a, and after this what I will be doing, if final list is not empty, then you need to do, you need to update the final list. So what you will be doing, you will be update final list. So let's save this out, and after saving this out, I hope everyone is clear with the trigger. We are getting the description, we are getting the account id, and finally we are updating that id. So by this method we are using the opportunity account relationship between opportunity and account in order to get the description updated. So let's now test the trigger. So let's duplicate this screen. So after duplicating, what I will be doing, I will be removing this UI, and let's check the let's go on any opportunity that is available on. So in the last I have played around with this. So let's first delete the details that yes, the description is empty. So let's do one thing. I will be adding two more products here. Two products are already present there. So let's add these product, that is hello. I will be adding hello, and here welcome to final live testing of trigger. And further what I will be doing, I will be saving this out. Oh, I haven't added the quantity. Let's make it 2, and here also let's make it 2. And now let's save this out. As soon as I save this, so my 4 products have been added in here. If I go on the Burlington textile, and if you see here, you will be getting 4. You are awesome, Panchkula rocks, hello, and welcome to final live testing. This is the insert operation. Now we will be going on to the delete operation as well. So what I will be doing, I will be going on to Burlington textile. Here on this opportunity, I will be deleting one product. Let's delete this random. I don't know which has what description, so let's delete this out. So instead I should get 3 details here on the product, on the account, instead of 4. So if you go downward, so you are saying you are awesome, hello, and welcome to live testing final. So I hope you enjoyed the content. So if you like my content, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and hit the bell icon for more such notification. Thank you. Thanks everyone. Have a nice day.